Hello everybody, welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to be making a salad. It's going to be vegetable and fruit salad at the same time, and the dressing, it's going to be a cilantro lime dressing. The dressing, it's going to be in another video following this one. So now, first of all, I'm going to start with arugula. Bunch of arugula here, and I think I'm just going to use one. I have another one of these, but for now I'm just going to use one and see how it goes. If I need more later, I will add them. So arugula. We're also going to use tomatoes. I have this plum tomatoes and the regular tomatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and cut them and put them in there. Both types. It doesn't matter which type of tomatoes they are. I'm just making this up as we go. So these are the tomatoes I have. Okay, so here we are with the tomatoes. The plum tomato, and I think the other one is called vine tomato. Okay, and a cucumber. We're going to put a cucumber in there. I'm going to make ridges, and then I'm going to cut it in chunks. Here we have the entire cucumber. I got a few strawberries here, like 8 of them, which I'm going to chop. Take out the green part in the back and chop them. I might have put more later, but let's see how it looks. So instead of 8 strawberries, I put 10. So 10 strawberries. Beautiful colors. We're gonna add 1 pear. Okay, so here's the pear. The pear, I had to cut a good part of it because it wasn't good. Whatever we have, there's the pear. And an orange. We're gonna peel it and cut it in little pieces. Okay, so this is how we peeled the orange. And now I'm gonna cut it in little chunks. Okay, and here we have the orange. 1 peeled orange. Now we're gonna toss it. Oh, let's put a little bit of pepper, not too much. And a little bit of salt. And now we toss. These are just the things that I have here at home, and so you can put anything you want in that salad. I'm trying to think of another vegetable that you can put in it. Fruits we have plenty. And like I said, please stay tuned for the video of the dressing. Even though you can put whatever dressing you like, just stay tuned for the cilantro lime dressing that I'm going to put on. Thank you for watching my channel and my recipe of my vegetable fruit salad, my own invention. Hope that you join me in my other videos, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.